Life can be challenging when you're going it alone, but perseverance and staying true to yourself can make the journey worthwhile. Walking a solitary path may be difficult, yet it's this very journey that builds your strength and character like no other experience. To those facing challenges alone, pushing against the current, and confronting critics, remember to stay strong and keep moving forward. The most arduous paths often lead to the most rewarding destinations. Just as the steepest climbs offer the best views, enduring hardships will eventually bring you to a place of profound personal achievement. Along the way, you'll discover that the right people will come into your life when you show the world your true self. You won't remain a lone wolf forever. You have unique qualities and a strength that few possess or understand. Don't compromise your values or lower your expectations just to fit in with others. You were meant to stand out and lead, not blend in. Embrace your individuality and the leadership role that comes with it. Think of a wolf climbing a hill. It's hungrier and more driven than the one already at the top. Strive to be that wolf, always eager to climb higher, grow stronger, and reach new heights. Focus on each step forward without looking back. Celebrate every victory, no matter how small. And remember that walking alone in the right direction is far better than following the crowd down the wrong path. Dare to be different and recognize that your future is in your hands. Pursue your goals with determination, even if the road is lonely. Success often requires walking a solitary path, a path not suited for everyone. Only those who dare to forge their own way can realize their true potential. Those who fly solo develop the strongest wings, and those who walk alone find the clearest direction. Others may depend on external approval and recognition, but true strength lies in finding peace in solitude. It's important to understand that needing support doesn't imply weakness, but there's immense power in thriving independently. Embrace the solitary journey as a source of strength. Your resilience, built from walking alone, sets you apart and prepares you for great achievements. This strength will ultimately attract the right people into your life, affirming that your solitary journey was always leading you toward a meaningful and fulfilling destination. This message is for those who have faced their battles alone, felt like outsiders, and lacked support in their endeavors. If you feel that no one believes in you, remember that you don't need anyone else to believe in you. Believing in yourself is enough. You are capable of supporting yourself. And when you truly live the life you want, speak your truth, and embrace who you are, you will gain real respect and love. People admire those who have the courage to be themselves and the bravery to follow their hearts. Why is this important? Because it's rare. Most people long to have the freedom to be themselves, but fear holds them back. By showing others the way, by continuing to believe in yourself and pushing forward, you become an inspiration. Everything will work out in the end. And when it does, you will have inspired not only yourself, but also many others. I had to learn how to fight alone, and because of that, I've become strong. I've developed an inner strength that is unbreakable. Enduring life's struggles has made me grow stronger with each challenge I faced. I've learned to appreciate others more deeply and have gained a greater capacity for compassion. This journey into darkness to find my strength has given me a clarity that I never had before. Facing huge internal challenges has prepared me to overcome any obstacle. I am proud of who I have become, proud that I persevered, and proud that I stayed true to myself. Now I can live authentically, respected by others, and most importantly, with pride and respect for myself. On this solitary path I've grown. My dreams have unfolded and it has all made me stronger. I'm a lone wolf, stronger on my own. I handle things by myself. It's not easy, but I am comfortable in my solitude. This journey has made me resilient. The smell of victory isn't perfume. It's the sweet aroma of success. I don't need a crowd. I'm a rolling stone, focused and staying in my zone. There's only one top spot, and I'm steadily making my way toward it. Being a lone wolf isn't perfect, but it's absolutely worth it. On this path, as I walk alone, my dreams unfold. For anyone feeling alone, remember it's not the absence of others that makes you feel lonely. It's not being at peace with yourself. It's not loving yourself. You feel alone because you've been conditioned to believe you need someone else to complete you, but you don't. You feel alone because you're comparing your life to others. Instead, if you focus on serving others, loving others, and giving your best to everyone you encounter, you won't feel lonely. Loneliness only persists when your thoughts are centered solely on yourself and what you lack. When you live authentically, truly embracing the life you desire and delving into your purpose, your passion will fill any emptiness, leaving no room for feelings of loneliness. If you enjoy the company of the person you're becoming, spend time alone and learn to love it. Chase your dreams daily and live with passion in your soul. Practice gratitude for what you do have, the people in your life, and the person you are becoming. This will replace feelings of loneliness with feelings of fulfillment. Grow yourself, and the right people will find their way to you. Being alone to grow strong is not a sign of weakness, but a mark of true resilience. It's a journey that not everyone is willing to take, but those who do find immense strength in the process. When you believe in yourself, you tap into a source of power that no one can take away from you. You become unbreakable, resilient, and prepared for any challenge that comes your way. This path is not about isolation, but about self-discovery and self-reliance. You gain real respect and love when you live authentically, speak your truth, and embrace who you are. This authenticity attracts the right people into your life, those who appreciate and respect you for your true self. You will not remain a lone wolf forever. Your journey will draw others to you who share your values and vision. I know you will be successful someday. My friend, good luck. This Mr. W. Subscribe to our channel.